Students, in this video I am going to explain question number 14 and 15 of exercise 12.1. Come to the question number 14 first. The question is, divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. See, in this question we are given the total pens are 20, right? And we are asked to divide these total pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. So let's see how to divide. Now since the ratio is 3:2, terms in the ratio 3:2 are 3 and 2, right? If you add this term, what will you get? Sum of the terms is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. And the total pens we have 20, right? Therefore, share of Sheila will be 3 upon 5 of total pens. Now 3 upon 5 of total pens means 3 upon 5 of 20. Now 5 fours are 20. So we left with 3 into 4 and 3 into 4 means 12 pence. Hence the share of Sheila is 12 pence. Similarly, what will be the share of Sangeeta? 2/5 of total pens. And 2/5 of total pens means 2/5 of 20 because total pens are 20. Again 5 fours are 20. So we left with 2 into 4 and 2 into 4 means 8 pens. Hence Sheila got 12 pens and Sangeeta got 8 pens. Question number 15 is just similar to the question number 14. See, in this question it is given mother wants to divide 36 rupees in the ratio of their daughter's age, Shreya and Bhumika. If the age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, then find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. See, in this question it is given that total amount is 36 rupees, right? And mother wants to divide this amount in the ratio of her daughter's age. Age of her daughter are 15 and 12. So first we have to find out the ratio of their ages, right? So ratio of the ages will be 15 by 12. Now 15 by 12 means how much? See, 15 and 12, both these numbers are divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12. So the required ratio of the age is 5:4. Now terms in the ratio 5:4 are 5 and 4, right? So if you add this term, what will you get? Sum of the term will be 5 plus 4, that is 9. And total amount we have 36 rupees. So what will be the share of Shreya? See here. The sharing of Shreya will be 5 by 9 of total amount. 5 by 9 of 36 because total amount we have 36. 5 is the first part of the ratio and 9 is the sum of the term that we got now, right? So 5 by 9 of 36. How much will you get? 9 4s are 36 and 5 into 4, 20. So sharing of Shreya will be 20 rupees. Similarly, what will be the sharing of Bhumika? 4 by 9 of total amount. You can see the second part of the ratio is 4 and sum of the term is 9. Hence the sharing of Bhumika will be 4 by 9 of 36. Now 9 4s are 36 and 4 into 4, 16. So sharing of Bhumika is 16 rupees. So how much amount Shreya and Bhumika will get? Shreya will get 20 rupees and Bhumika will get 16 rupees.